everyone, this is Manisha Halai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great and you all are safe from the coronavirus. Please be safe. Take care of yourself. Whenever you step outside your home, wear mask and go. Maintain social distancing. Avoid going in the crowds. And yeah, for me it's very saddening. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I was having a little feverish. Then yesterday I have gone to the hospital. There I was detected COVID positive, and I was very shocked, because I was continuously doing my COVID test since last few days, because I take private tuitions. Then I go for home tuition, so I am very concerned. I'm very, for the safety of the children for whom I take tuitions, for their safety I always did a test. On 7th also I have done a test there, and before that also I've already done a test. Then those two times I was detected negative. There was a boy in the test counter, and I told him, भैया हमको कोरोना टेस्ट करना है, बुखार लग रहा है. And he was like, बुखार लग रहा है तो कोरोना टेस्ट करते क्या? I was like, what? Even though I convinced him, and he said, okay, fine. At last he agreed, and then the test was done. Okay, and after 5 minutes he said, you are positive. Oh my god, then I was completely shattered. Like, no elders are in the house right now who could take care of me. Everything has to be done myself only, and the cooking part is done by my younger sisters and brothers, and washing, fetching water from the tap, every household works are done by them. So I'm just not moving from this place. Here I sleep, here I do my things. They have cooked pumpkin and the pumpkin leaves, and here I have the rice. So let's see how they have cooked. I will eat and tell. I have to be under isolation for 10 days, and for 10 days I'll have to eat their food only. I'll have to adjust. Now I'll have to take medicine. They have given so many medicines to me. They have given me this many medicines. Then evening my mom called me and she asked me if we have rice and vegetables at home, and I told my mother that no mama, like our vegetable and rice, everything is over. There is no more rations in the house, and thank God today morning she has sent us rice and vegetables. Thanks to auntie, also Imami's mother, she has also sent us rice and vegetables. Ignore the background noises because there's some construction work is going on in the neighbor's house and they are playing music now. Please ignore them. And I'm very worried because I'm staying in Vakro now and we have a very small house in Vakro. My mom stays in the village house, and then my brothers and sisters are also in this house only. They are attending the online classes. And then after I was detected, I was like, what? Is it true? Because I was like, where will I send them now? Because I can't send them to the village now itself, because what if they are also infected, then the viruses will be spreading in the village also. Then what to do? I didn't have any other options at all with me. Then I decided, okay, fine, let us be under this small roof itself, we will manage it. So we are managing it, like it's been one night now and we are managing it. We have such a small home, and that too the room is very small, and there is a small, this is a partition made in the house. So beyond this curtain they are sleeping there and they do their studies there. They attend their online classes from behind, like behind this curtain. I'm in the other side of the curtain, and this side is the kitchen, actually very small. We have to manage what to do. I'm just praying to God. Oh, शीलू भाग रहे, वो भाग रहे, जेनिया, वो भाग रहे my niece, she's very naughty, like she don't want to be, she's also under isolation with me. So we are not permitting her to go to the neighbor's house. Maybe she want to play now, so she's escaping from us. I just saw it now. She was going running there. Life is a roller coaster. Sometimes we get to see happy moments of our life. Sometimes we are facing problems. Sometimes we are happy. Sometimes we are sad. So life is of, of different stages and different colors, different things which we experience. And currently for me it is, very sad, and I'm facing, kind of trouble. So pray for me. I'll keep updating you all.